Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned up to the 8th problem, children. Today, we'll be learning about the 9th problem. Here, children, an object of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. A force is applied so that in 20 seconds, it attained a velocity of 25 meter per second. 25 meter per second. What is the force applied on the object? Okay, children. Here mass is given, children. Here you can see the problem. A mass of 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. A force is applied so that in 20 seconds it attains a velocity of 25 meter per second. What is the force applied on the object, children? Okay, now see the children. See, children, here the mass is given. The mass is given as 5 kg. Okay, children, mass is given as 5 kg, and here its final velocity is given as well as initial velocity is given. Final velocity that is equals to 25 meter per second, and initial velocity, children, initial velocity, it is 10 meter per second. Okay, children, 10 meter per second. And here the time taken is 20 seconds, children. The time taken is 20 seconds. What is the time taken? 20 seconds. Therefore, from this, what we can find here, we got V, U, and time. He is asking to find out the force. F is equals to M into A. We know M. We should find the A, acceleration. To find the acceleration, we use the formula V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, children. V is here 25 meter per second, that is equals to U is 10 plus A into 20. Okay, children. Therefore, here 25 minus 10 is equal to 20A. 25 minus 10 is how much, children? 15. 15 is equals to 20A. A is equals to 15 by 20. 5 3s are 5 4s are. A is equal to 3 by 4 meter per second square, children. Now he is asking to find out the force. F is equals to, mass is how much, children, here? 5 into 3 by 4, that is equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4, that is 4 3s are 12. 12, that is 15, 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are. Therefore, 3.75 Newton, children. Children, in the textbook it is given as 5 newtons, but it is a wrong answer. It is 3.75 newtons, children. Okay, children, it is 3.75 newtons. Okay, I think you have understood, children. Here the mass is given as 5 kg. Mass is given as 5 kg. Final velocity is 25 meter per second. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. The time taken is 20 seconds. By using the formula V is equal to U plus AT, we got, okay, A is equal to 3 by 4 meter per second square, and substituting that A value in the force, to find the force, we get 3.75 Newton, children. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, next problem, children. Next problem. Find the acceleration of the body of mass 2 kg from the figures, children. Here he is asking to find the acceleration of the body. Find the acceleration of the body of mass 2 kg from the figures. Here he is asking the acceleration. Okay. Here given the mass is given, children. Mass is given. Find the acceleration of the body of 2 kg from the figures shown. Here we are having the figures, children. Okay, 2 kg, and here the masses are also given, children. Okay, children, in this problem, 10th problem, he is asking to find the, he get given the mass is equal to 2 kg, children. And here an Atwood machine is given. a load is given and a person is pulling. Here it is 10 newtons, children, and 10 newton of force is applied over here. The mass is 2 kg. He is asking to find out the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to how much? Okay, children, force is given as 10 newtons here. Therefore, normally F is equal to ma, children. M is given 2 kg into A, that is 10 newtons. Therefore, A is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5 meter per second square, children. A is equal to what? 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. That is in the 10th problem, first one. And the other one, it is given load here given same 2 kg. 2 kg load. Here it is 4 newtons. 4 newtons. 4 newtons. Therefore, here as it is 4 newtons, same formula. F is 4 newtons. M is 2 kg. Okay, children. Therefore, F is equal to ma. Mass is 2. Acceleration we don't know. This it is 4 newtons. A is equal to 4 by 2. 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Okay, children. Here in the first case, for the first figure, acceleration is 5 meter per second square, whereas for the second one it is 2 meter per second square, children. Okay, right. Next 11th problem we'll do afterwards, children, and here we go with 12th problem. A man of mass 30 kg uses a rope to climb which bears only 450 newtons. Okay, here a man of mass 30 kg uses a rope to climb which bears only 450 newtons. What is the maximum acceleration with which he can climb safely? Okay, children, here mass is given, that is 30 kg mass is given. Children, mass is given 30 kg and he uses a rope to climb which bears only 450 newtons. Force is also given, children. He is asking what is the maximum acceleration with which he can climb safely. Okay, he is asking that what is the maximum acceleration. Okay, that means with what speed he can go, he can climb such that he reaches the hill safely. Okay, right. 12th problem, children. Mass is given as 30 kg. Here force is also given, children. Force is given as 450 Newton. He is asking to find out acceleration. Same formula, children. F is equals to ma. F is 450. Mass is given as 30 into acceleration. Here acceleration is equals to 450 by 30, that is 315s are. A is equals to 15 meter per second square. Therefore, with what acceleration he can move safely is, it is 15 meter per second square, children. 15 meter per second square. Okay, children. With 15 meter per second square, he can climb the hill safely. Okay, children. Right. Therefore, today we learned today we have learned 9th problem, 10th as well as 12th problem, children. Okay, 9th, 10th, 12th, and here 9th except the 9th. Okay, all 9th, 10th, 12th, they are based on the formula of F is equals to ma, children. As they are asking in all the cases force, therefore F is equals to ma. Okay, children, F is equals to ma. By substituting the formula, by substituting the terms of in the F is equal to ma formula, we got the problems, children. Okay children, remaining we'll be learning in the next class children. Have a nice day. Thank you.